And the next aspect I would like to show is that one app can have multiple inputs. So you have one image app here, and for example, one input is the image, but another input of the app could be the configuration, for instance, the CSS of the image, or it could be anything. I just want to show that you can really have two inputs or more for an app. And just what we're going to see in the next video, we have one page and you have two different apps, and each app has inputs, just that it's really simple and clear. And now we're checking out how can you what can you do with the inputs yourself as a researcher. So this is just a small example. This is a Sankey diagram D3.js. This is also used by the DELIL project and can be used by other can be reused by other scientific projects. And now we click here on this icon. Each app has an individual icon. We try to match it a little bit to the functionality. It's worked well here. And now this is the menu. You can change the title and the size of the app. You can add description, which in HTML, which appears underneath the app. You can, if you have several page apps, you can move them on the page. You can go directly to the data management, but here app input options. Now we're looking at the inputs. So I'm clicking on app input option. And now assign files to app inputs. So this is our little description. And this app has one input. If you had more inputs, there would be more of those buttons. But this has one input here. So I click on it, and you have certain options what you can do with this input of this app. And I clicked on change current data, and you see the current data at the moment. If you open an app, default data is created in Inseri so that the researcher understands better how the input of the app should look like. And we see here there's node IDs and the name node, so we see this too. And then there's links here, source and target. So this link goes from 0 to 2. And I scroll down and I just delete this. I just deleted a couple of links. I left all the nodes in there and deleted a couple of links. And I save or update. I saved it and I closed and reloaded it. There's an enhancement. And now you see it has been reloaded. And if you look here, this is how it looked like before. And now it looks different, of course, because I removed certain links, for instance, from node. I can't remember right now which links, but you get the point. So you can change the default data of the apps yourself in Inseri, but you can also link them to external resources, which will be shown later on in this presentation.